अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम EDUA501 के MCQs फाइनल टर्म प्रिपरेशन के हवाले से स्टार्ट करने लगे हैं। यहाँ हम लेक्चर नंबर 23 से लेक्चर 45 तक कंप्लीट लेसन वाइज MCQs कवर करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सोशल इंटरेक्शन इन्वॉल्व्स रेसिप्रोकल इन्फ्लुएंस बिटवीन इंडिविजुअल्स। द मोस्ट बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर सोशल इंटरेक्शन इज सोशल कॉन्टैक्ट. Communication is important in social interaction because it helps people exchange meaning. Working together to achieve a common goal is called cooperation. When individuals strive for the same goal, it is called competition. A clash of interest, values, or goals is known as conflict. Adjustment between conflicting individuals or groups is called accommodation. Which process helps maintain peaceful coexistence despite differences? Accommodation. Social interaction may influence human behavior. Accepting different viewpoints help improve communication, which is a positive form of social interaction. Cooperation. Social interaction is important for the development of society. A society cannot effectively continue without social interaction. Which element allows people to exchange thoughts and feelings? Communication. Human behavior is influenced by social situations. A person's social position is known as status. A status assigned at birth is called ascribed status. Which is an example of an ascribed status? Daughter, son, right? A status earned through personal effort is called achieved status. Which is an example of an achieved status? Doctor, teacher. The status that strongly shapes a person's identity is called master status. The expected behavior attached to a status is called role. A student attending classes is performing a role. Difficulty caused by competing roles is called role conflict. The social construction of reality suggests that reality is shaped through social interaction. Ethnomethodology is associated with Harold Garfinkel. The idea that social life is similar to a performance is associated with Erving Goffman. According to Goffman, people in social life behave like actors. Controlling how others perceive us is known as impression management. Everyday interaction helps individuals develop social skills. Social interaction is especially important for children's overall development. Interaction with others help develop children's language skills. Early childhood settings provide opportunities for social interaction. Which is a form of social interaction among children? Sharing. Positive social interaction supports mental well-being. Children develop vocabulary mainly through communication. Social interaction helps children learn cooperation. Understanding the feelings of others is called empathy. Interaction with peers can increase a child's confidence. Social interaction supports children's independence. Group activities are useful for developing social skills. Social interaction contributes to holistic development. Teachers should promote interaction-based learning. Children learn conflict resolution mainly through social experiences. Social interaction in early childhood supports multiple areas of development. Culture generally refers to a group's way of life. Culture includes value and beliefs. Children first learn culture mainly from family and community. An important institution for cultural transmission is a school. Culture provides individuals with a sense of identity. Schools help transmit culture to future generations. Culture influences people's behavior and communication. School and community are closely connected. Cultural values are transmitted through education and socialization. Culture is generally shared. Customs and traditions are part of culture. So, schools help students understand cultural heritage and social values. Culture guide social behavior and interaction. The relationship between school and culture is mainly interconnected. Cultural transmission means passing culture from one generation to another. Cultural diversity refers to the presence of different cultures. A culturally diverse society may include different languages and traditions. Cultural diversity can promote mutual respect. Schools should create culturally inclusive environment. Interaction with different cultures develops tolerance. Cultural diversity can enrich learning experiences. Teachers should respect cultural differences. An inclusive classroom provides equal opportunities. Cultural diversity helps reduce prejudice. Cultural diversity prepares students for multicultural societies. Respect for different cultures promotes social harmony. Cultural diversity is commonly associated with multiculturalism and different traditions. A teacher's role in a diverse classroom is to promote inclusion. Stereotypes can be reduced through cultural understanding and interaction. Cultural diversity is generally considered a source of enrichment. Mali culture is best described as rich and diverse. A major influence on Pakistani culture is Islam. What is a cultural element? Language and religion both are cultural elements. The central social institution in Pakistani society is family. Family helps transmit cultural values and traditions, both A and B. Respect for lead elders. Respect for elders is a cultural value. Hospitality is strongly associated with Pakistani culture. Cultural identity is strengthened through festivals and tradition, which is part of a material culture, dress, which is part of non material culture, belief. Pakistani culture includes provincial diversity and linguistic diversity, both A and B. Schools help preserve cultural heritage. Eid is mainly a religious and cultural celebration. Cultural values are commonly passed to the next generation through family and school. National identity is strengthened by understanding of cultural heritage and shared values, both A and B. Passing culture from one generation to another is called cultural transmission. A major agent of cultural transmission is education. Schools help preserve cultural heritage and social values, so both A and B. Schools transmit culture through curriculum and activities. Learning societies accepted values is part of socialization. School is an important agent of socialization and cultural transmission. National history helps develop national identity. Schools in multicultural societies can promote national unity and tolerance, both A and B. Education can preserve culture and also promote social change and critical thinking. Culture is dynamic. Cultural continuity depends greatly on education and transmission. School assemblies can help promote cultural values and national identity. Socialization prepares children to become responsible members of society. Education should preserve useful traditions while encouraging positive change and critical awareness. Protection of culture is an important function of school and education. Community participation helps develop social responsibility. Community based learning connects classroom knowledge with real life. A visit to museum is an example of educational visit. Field trips provide students with practical experience and real life exposures. Tree plantation is an example of community participation and social responsibility. Community resource person may include doctors or social workers. Community experts can provide students with practical knowledge. Teachers help students relate to the community through guidance and participation. Community service develop civic awareness and responsibility. A cleanliness campaign is an example of community activity. Community participation helps a student understand social needs and community problems. Parents' involvement can strengthen the relationship between school and community and home and school. Educational tours mainly broaden students' understanding and experience. Community based activities develop responsible citizen. The teacher act as a link between school and community. Psychosocial development combines psychological and social development. The theory of psychosocial development is associated with Erik Erikson. Erikson proposed that development occurs through multiple stages. Each stage in Erikson's theory involves a psychosocial crisis. Successful resolution of psychosocial crisis supports healthy personality development. Early psychosocial development includes the development of trust and independence. A supportive environment promotes confidence and positive self image. Negative experiences may contribute to insecurity and low self esteem. Teachers support psychosocial development through emotional support and positive relationship. Peer interaction helps develop cooperation and empathy. Family provides the foundation for psychosocial development. Parenting style can influence a child's personality and emotional development. Psychosocial development is especially important during early childhood. Interaction with peers can teach conflict resolution and sharing. A positive classroom environment can improve confidence and social adjustment. ECE stands for Early Childhood Education. The early years are especially important for brain development. Early childhood education provides a foundation for lifelong learning. ECE supports cognitive and social development. Early childhood education also supports emotional and physical development. Quality ECE helps prepare children for formal schooling. ECE helps develop language skill and communication skills. Early educational experiences can influence future learning and academic success. ECE promotes confidence and independence. Positive attitude towards learning can begin in early childhood. Early childhood education is important for holistic development. Quality early education can make children more school ready. Major academic benefit of ECE is improved school performance. ECE can strengthen literacy and numeracy. Social benefits of ECE include cooperation and sharing. ECE helps children develop teamwork and communication. Emotional development includes learning to understand emotions and manage emotions. ECE can improve children's self confidence and independence. Play based learning supports physical development. Physical activities help improve motor skills. Interactive learning can promote creativity and problem solving. ECE benefits may be long term. Quality ECE may contribute to future educational success and social adjustment. Early childhood education supports the whole child. School family community partnership is based on collaboration. The child's first educational institution is family. Formal education is mainly provided by school. Communities can provide resources and practical experiences. Strong partnership can improve academic achievement and attendance. Effective partnership requires communication. Parents are important stakeholders. The family mainly provides children's initial values and behaviors. School family communication help monitor student progress. Community involvement can provide schools with support and resources. Educational partnership focus primarily on student success. School, family, and community are often considered partners in education. Effective partnership can improve student motivation and behavior. Regular communication can strengthen trust and cooperation. Supportive educational environment is strongest when school, family, and community work together. The six types of involvement are commonly associated with Joyce Epstein. Helping families establish supportive home environment is called parenting. Sharing information between school and home is called communicating. Parents helping in school activities is known as volunteering. Supporting school work outside the classroom is called learning at home. Parents participating in school policies represent decision making. Working with community organizations is called collaborating with community. How many major types of involvement are identified in the model? There are six major types of involvement that are identified in the model, which is not one of the six type. Punishment is not the type of the model. Parent teacher communication belongs to communicating. Homework supports is mainly part of learning at home. Parents' councils are mainly related to decision making. Community collaboration may provide resources and opportunities. The main purpose of these six types is to strengthen school family community partnership. Which involvement type focuses most directly on home condition for learning? Parenting. Parent involvement is encouraged by welcoming school climate. Schools should consider parents as educational partners. Respecting parents generally increases their involvement. A welcoming environment helps parents feel comfortable. Parent teacher meeting can strengthen communication and cooperation. Schools can encourage involvement through parent workshops and family events. Volunteer opportunities can increase parent participation. The schools should maintain regular communication. Positive school attitudes can improve parent-school relationship. Parents are more likely to participate when their opinions are valued. Family engagement can support student achievement and student motivation. A school that discourages parents' visit is likely to reduce parent involvement. Academic guidance sessions can help parents support learning at home. The best approach to parent is based on respect and partnership. Parent involvement is strongest when schools are welcoming and supportive. इसके साथ ही हमारा EDUA501 के MCQs का पार्ट 1 जो है वो यहाँ मुकम्मल हो जाता है। पार्ट 2 भी इंशाल्लाह ताला जल्दी अपलोड कर दिया जाएगा। तो चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करना हरगिज़ ना भूलिएगा ताकि मेरे तमाम न्यू वीडियोस आप तक टाइमली पहुंचती रहें। मेरे इन वीडियोस को आप अपने फेलो स्टूडेंट्स तक वर्चुअल यूनिवर्सिटी के डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स में ज़रूर शेयर करें ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स तक ये वीडियोस पहुंच सकें और वो अपने फाइनल टर्म की अच्छी प्रिपरेशन कर सकें। मैं इंशाल्लाह ताला अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ जल्द हाजिर होंगी। तब तक आप सब अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज।